SOCKS5, does private internet access offer a SOCKS5 proxy? How to use that feature? Private Internet Access, PIA, offers a SOCKS5 proxy service to its subscribers. This feature allows you to route your internet traffic through a proxy server, enhancing privacy and enabling access to geo-restricted content. How to use PIA's SOCKS5 proxy *1. Generate SOCKS5 credentials *. Log into your PIA client control panel. Navigate to the Generate SOCKS download section. Click the Generate Password button. A username starting with X and a random password will be displayed. These credentials are used exclusively for the SOCKS5 proxy and remain unchanged for the duration of your account. 2. Configure your application *. Use the following proxy server details: hostname *proxynl.privateinternettaccess.com, port *1080, username *, the SOCKS5 username generated in step 1. Password * key corresponding password generated in step 1. Enter these details into the proxy settings of the application you wish to configure, example torrent clients, browsers. Important considerations *, encryption *. Unlike VPN connections, SOCKS5 proxies do not encrypt your internet traffic. If encryption is necessary, consider using PIA's VPN service or combining the SOCKS5 proxy with additional encryption tools. Multi-hop feature * PIA's desktop application supports a multi-hop feature that allows you to use a SOCKS5 proxy in conjunction with a VPN connection, enhancing both privacy and security. Server location * PIA's SOCKS5 proxy server is located in the Netherlands. Application support * ensure that the application you intend to use supports SOCKS5 proxies. Many popular applications, including torrent clients and web browsers, offer this support. For more detailed information, refer to PIA's official support page on SOCKS5 proxies.